PI characteristics of laser diode. Aim. The aim of the experiment is to study the PI characteristics of laser diode. Apparatus: battery, resistance, ammeter, laser diode, voltmeter, and connecting wires. Theory: a laser diode is a semiconductor device similar to light emitting diode LED. It uses PN junction to emit coherent light in which all the waves are at the same frequency and phase. This coherent light is produced by the laser diode using a process termed as light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, which is abbreviated as laser. And since a PN junction diode is used to produce laser light, this device is named as laser diode. The semiconductor junction laser is also called an injection laser because its pumping method is electron hole injection in a PN junction. The semiconductor that has been extensively used for junction is the gallium arsenide. The features of semiconductor laser are extreme monochromaticity, high directionality. Three basic transition processes related to operation of a laser are absorption, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission. The working principle diagram. This is a working principle diagram. Now once you are giving a supply from positive laser diode, it emits a light emission is emitted by the laser diode. The current is flows through the diode through the resistor. Circuit diagram. Now first of all, connect from supply positive is connected to resistor. Resistor other end is connected to ammeter positive terminal. Ammeter negative terminal is connected to the laser source positive terminal.
Ammeter negative to laser diode
are the first terminal from laser source. Second terminal, which is directly connected to supply negative terminal.
laser diode to
Now from positive, supply positive will connect one more wire. Supply positive is connected to voltmeter positive and supply negative is connected to voltmeter negative.
voltmeter positive. Voltmeter negative. Okay.
This is the connections of the laser diode. Procedure: connect the laser diode as shown in figure. Slowly increase the supply voltage using variable power supply, coarse and fine knobs. Note down the optical power measured by the optical power meter in milliwatts at increasing current through the laser diode of 5 milliamperes to 26 milliamperes at 1 milliampere step. Do not exceed the current limit of 30 milliamperes, else the laser diode may damage. Plot a graph of laser diode optical power versus laser diode current as shown in figure. Calculate the slope of this curve. The slope is efficiency of laser diode in terms of milliwatt per milliampere. Draw a line through the curve cutting the x-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis and this line will give the threshold current of laser diode.
1.5 at 1.50 going to 2 volts. At 2 volt the small amount of current increases. At 2 volts the current is increases, still increases the voltage. At a 2.5, the 2.5 something, at 3 volts the 4 ampere of current, 4 milliampere of current, 4.5 like that till the 6, where the 6 voltage the current is 14 milliamperes. So like that we have to do all the value note down in the table column. Later go to graph.
Observation table. For different voltages, we'll note down the different values of current corresponding to the voltage, and corresponding we'll note down the value of current. Corresponding voltage of 1 volt current is 0 milliamperes. For 2 volts the current is 0.12 milliamperes. For 3 volts the current is 4.25. Similarly, up to 6 volts the current is 14.70. Now we plot the model graph, which is as shown in figure. Now the x-axis is in terms of voltage and y-axis is in terms of current in milliamperes. Result: the VI characteristics of laser diode is studied. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe if you like.